Hello, I'm Scott Rothenberg of the Rothenberg Law Firm. I want to discuss slip and fall incidents as well as trip and fall incidents. Slips, trips, and falls can cause a multitude of severe injuries as well as paralysis that can even be fatal. In fact, slips, trips, and falls are the second leading cause of accidental deaths. I want to focus on factors that can lead to slips, trips, and falls. Stairs that are in disrepair and staircases that do not have railings are frequent factors in a trip and fall incident. Broken and misleveled sidewalks are common causes of trips and falls. Loose mats or bunched up rugs may result in tripping and falling. Improper mopping and failure to place adequate warning signs can result in a slip and fall incident. Ice and snow on sidewalks and parking lots, if left unattended and not treated properly with salt, can create a hazardous condition for pedestrians. Poor lighting may affect visibility and the ability to detect dangerous surfaces, which can result in a slip and fall or trip and fall event. While falls can happen to anyone at any time, certain groups of people are at a greater risk of sustaining a serious or fatal injury in a fall. Fall-related injuries are the leading cause of hospitalizations for two different age groups, those aged 14 and younger and those aged 25 and older. In the US, falls account for over 8 million hospital emergency room visits, representing the leading cause of visits. Slips and falls account for over 1 million visits, or 12% of total falls. Slips and falls do not constitute a primary cause of fatal occupational injuries, but represent the primary cause of lost days from work. Slips and falls are the leading cause of workers' compensation claims and are the leading cause of occupational injury for people aged 55 years and older. Half of all accidental deaths in the home are caused by a fall. Most fall injuries in the home happen at ground level, not from an elevation. Of all fractures from falls, hip fractures are the most serious and lead to the greatest health problems and number of deaths. Falls account for 87% of all fractures among people over the age of 65 and are the second leading cause of spinal cord and brain injury. Falls represent 40% of all nursing home admissions and are the sixth leading cause of death among people aged 70 years or older. Over 60% of nursing home residents will fall each year. Head traumas are the leading cause of fall-related deaths. If you or your loved one have been severely injured in a slip or trip and fall incident, please note that statutes and limitations to bring a lawsuit apply, and therefore you should not delay in contacting a personal injury attorney to discuss your life-altering incident caused by someone's negligence in allowing a hazardous condition to exist on their property.